Thank you very much, Paul, and welcome everybody to this session today. We've been planning this for quite some time and very much look forward to the next couple of hours. Firstly, massive thank you to everybody that's joined, our customers, our partners, investors, and everyone that's joining for the next couple of hours. I'm actually calling in from Victoria today in Melbourne, so naturally I'm calling from home because there's nowhere else to be. I hope everybody's safe, particularly during these times and doing well at both home and business. I thought the best way to maybe start, I guess on behalf of Karl and I, is maybe for myself to give a bit of a bit of a background, I guess, on where Karl and I have come from and how we've got to start this business. And then Karl can certainly speak more to our vision and what we're doing to make a real difference to the workplace. But I guess 25 years ago is where the story begins for Karl and I. I actually met Karl, we're both 18-year-olds, and we actually met through our girlfriends in first year of university. Fast forward 25 years, we're now married, those girls, and Karl has 4 kids. I've got 2 kids between us. It's been a long friendship and business partnership, and I guess 18 of those 25 years, the last 18 years have been in business together, and the last 5 years specifically all about LiveTiles. I think what's really important for Karl and I is very much about the values system that we believe in, both in terms of the business that we run day to day, but also in terms of the stuff we build. We want to make a difference. We don't just want to build technology that does something similar to what somebody else does, and we believe really in creating a workplace where people can thrive. And I think there's also, there's often been this view that, technology is all about making people as productive and as efficient as possible. And that's certainly part of good technology. But I think where we really have a difference, maybe of opinion, and this one is that we believe people should be happy and healthy and well as well. And it's all about, for us, getting that right balance in the workplace between, doing your job and doing it as well as you can, but also being healthy and well. And I think there's a really important role that we all play in that process, and that some of it's education, some of it's just about putting well-being front of mind. But I think this is a great opportunity for us in this industry to really make people love their work, not just, as I said, with completing tasks as quick as they can, but really having that holistic experience that they can then take from work, bring it to home, and obviously just create a different way of thinking about how we live in today's environment. So with that in mind, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that's joined it, particularly our customers and our partners. And I'll throw over to Karl.
Great. Thanks, Peter. And hi, everybody. Also calling from Melbourne in lockdown. I've spent the last 9 years living in New York City, and thought I was lucky to be back here in March, and here I am in a lockdown. But look, what an amazing year that we've had as a business, and we really want to thank you. We've got over 1,000 customers now that are really helping us build what is very much an exciting roadmap. If we look at where we're going over the next 3 years, we have some of the latest in artificial intelligence that's being built. Now, we've already been recognised by the Australian Financial Review, interestingly enough, as Australia's fastest growing technology company. And we really want to thank our customers, our partners, to be able to put us in this position, to be able to have that recognition. And we think it's just the start of what's going to be an amazing journey on the way to the intelligent experience platform and on the way to the intelligent workplace. One of the really exciting things, you're going to hear from Simon, Owen, a bunch of our people today, and importantly, some really key customers that we're lucky enough to have speaking to everyone today about how we're revolutionising the way people, how they communicate at work. And what we think more than ever in COVID-19, post-COVID-19 world, we're going to have to provide flexibility to wherever we need to work. Now, you may not be in the office 5 days a week anymore. You might hopefully be at a cafe or at a different part of the world. And I think people are going to start demanding to work flexibly. I think people are going to want to demand that they get engaged with their work. And that's where I think we have the power to work with you, not just today in what we deliver today, but what we're doing over the next 2, 3, 4, and 5 years to really revolutionise the workplace. And it all starts from today. We're keen to hear your feedback. We're keen to engage with you. We're keen to have you in our product development. And most importantly, we're keen to very co-innovate alongside you. So hopefully you're going to see some very new, cool things. Literally, first time to be shown today. I think Simon's literally, I saw it late last night, some very cool stuff that's just coming out. So hopefully you get some value out of that. But thank you. Really looking forward to the next 12 months with you. And as I said, on our roadmap going forward. So having said all of that, I'll throw it back, and really thanks for joining us today.